everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I achieve a curly wavy hair look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this result, please keep on watching. The best thing about this hair look is that the curls are bouncy and it's completely heatless, harmless to the hair. I start this hair look by spritzing my hair and spraying my hair with the heat protectant spray just because I like the smell, but it's definitely not needed. You can just spray your hair with regular water. Using these curlers, you can do two things. You can either wrap your hair around the curler horizontally to have a wavy hair, or you can wrap your hair vertically to achieve more curls. And then you can alternate. Sometimes you can wrap it upside down and other times you can wrap it from the bottom up. Then you alternate also wrapping the hair around the curler from the right to the left and other times from the left to the right. This inconsistency in the way you wrap your hair horizontally, vertically from the right, then from the left, it creates more volume. It imitates the kind of hair we have, because if you have curly hair or even more wavy hair, not every single curl in your hair is identical to every other curl in your hair. It's really inconsistent. So the more you alternate, you're gonna get better results. As you see, I left the back part free of curlers because I needed to sleep. But I'll be honest with you guys, sometimes when I have my curlers in my hair at night, I wake up a few times feeling a little discomfort. So my best advice for you in regards to these curlers, if you're trying to save your hair from damage, however you want to have a good night rest, it's best to wear these curlers in the morning, especially on a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning. If you know you're not gonna leave the house for 3-4 hours, especially if you have an early start to your day, it's good to wet your hair in the morning, wear your curlers, get things done, cook, clean, whatever you need to do, finish your makeup, and at the end, right before you leave the house, just undo the curls and you're gonna have the most beautiful curls that you can achieve. And again, you don't have to use a curling iron, you don't have to use heat to achieve these curls. These curlers that I'm using in this video are guaranteed to give you this type of curls and waves. And this is the final look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any question about this tutorial, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comments below. And if you have any suggestion for a hair video, makeup, fashion, anything related to beauty, let me know and I'd love to film it for you guys. Until next time, I'll see you later. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So this is my hair after walking in the rain for about 7 to 10 minutes. And the curls after I took out the curlers were much more defined, more glam, but this looks much more natural and it looks like very similar to my natural curls and waves. The best thing about using these curlers is that they're not time consuming. All you need to do is just wet your hair with some spray, which is like the easiest way, because if you wet it with your hands or if you put a lot of water on your hair, you risk having wet hair afterwards and not having good curls. Whereas when you use the spray, it's gonna spray just a little bit of water, just like enough amount of water for the curls to form. Another amazing thing about using curlers is that they're heatless, so there's absolutely no heat coming into contact with my hair. I really encourage you guys to use them. You can also find them at any grocery store like Target, Walmart, these big grocery stores. So if you have any question, leave it in the comments below and I'll see you later. Thank you so much for watching. Show you the back of my hair. So this is how it looks from the back. This is the side and this is the front. Some parts of it are more defined than other parts, like for example, the front is less defined, especially this one. So it looks much more natural and effortless. These parts look much more defined here. but I like the combination. So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to make more hair videos. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.